ZIGNLAB. Print your vision. Light your brand. Design, slice, optimize. Ready to print. Reading G-code. Building layer by layer.
Print shell, fill with resin, embed LEDs, seal and illuminate.
Your creativity illuminated by light. From street corner shops to commercial landmarks, illuminating every space. ZIGNLAB 3D Sign Printer. Print your vision. Light your brand.